Hello students, how are you? Dear student, today we start a new chapter, periodic classification of n elements. Means in this times, something 118 elements are we know, and this 18 elements are divided in metal, non-metal and metallites, and also solid, liquid and gases according to physically. So this all types of elements are set up in different places like that group, periods, according to their character or according to their properties like physical properties or chemical properties. So periodic classification of an elements. So classification of elements, the arranging of elements into different group on the basis of similarities in their properties is called classification of elements. And also the classification of similar elements into group makes the study of elements easier. So there are about 114, but in this is the oldest, but according to modern, like that 118 elements we know. Number two, early attempts as classification of elements. So the earliest attempt to classify elements was grouping that then no elements, about 30 elements into two groups are called metal and non-metal. So according to the definition of metal and non-metal, if any types of elements they lost the electron, means they donate the electron, lost the electron and represent positive, it is called metal. And if any types of elements they receive the electron, that means the gain of electron, it is called non-metal. So the defect in the classification was that it had no place for metallites, elements which have properties of both metal and non-metal, which were discovered later. And next thing, so these types of classification or these types of distribution of elements in different group or different orbit means making the periodicity. The first person who represent to classify these types of elements are called Daubenier. So Daubenier represent a traits. So according to Daubenier classify elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses into group of three elements in cases traits. In each traits, the atomic masses of the middle elements was approximately equal to the average atomic mass of the other two elements. Suppose there are three types of elements A, B, C. So A and B, the masses value, sum of the masses value of A and B when we divided means the just we calculate the in average. So A plus B divided by 2 equal what is the value? This is the mass value of atom or elements number B, A and C. First A plus C by 2. So A plus C by 2 equal B. So this is the mass value. Suppose the A elements, the mass value is 1, C, the mass value 3. So when first we added to both types of mass values, so 1 plus 3 equal 4 and divided by 2. It means 4 by 2 equal 2. So the mass value of elements number B is 2. Just like see here the some examples, lithium, sodium and potassium. So this is the first group, and this first group, these three elements, the atomic mass value like that 6.9, 23.0, 39.0. So average atomic masses of first and third elements is 22.95. That means sodium value is 23. And just a second pair, calcium, strontium and barium. The first value 40.1 and last third value is 137.3. So added to both types of value, the value is 170 177.4 and divided by 2 the value are 88.7%. And the third pair chlorine, bromine and iodine. So the chlorine value is 35.5, iodine value is 126.9. When added to both types of value, This value is 162.4 and divided by 2 equal 81.2%. That means the bromine value 79.9. So it's a approximately value. So the defects in this classification was that all then known elements could not be correctly arranged into traits. It means only some types of places or some types of elements, the masses value approximately to equal to these types of value, not all. So this is the also a defects of Daubeney traits. And next video and next point is Newland's law of octagon. So John Newlands, a English scientist, arranged the known elements in the order of increasing atomic masses and called its law of octavates. It is known as the Newlands of octavates. So characteristics of Newlands law of octavates: it contained the elements from hydrogen to thorium. Number two, properties of every 8 elements were similar to that of the first elements. Means according to a rhymes of sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. So sa is repeated to one places. Means the eighth elements, the chemical and physical properties are similar to first elements. So sa re ga ma pa dha ni, do re mi fa so la ti. Like that, the elements of hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. Again, the repeat of next elements is down to first elements, like that fluorine, next sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. But here also some types of defects, and these defects we discuss to next video. Okay, thank you.